Hey everyone, I'm Selena. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm thrilled to dive into the Sony 77-inch OLED Bravia 8 Smart Google TV, a stunning piece of tech that's perfect for movie buffs and gamers alike. If you're hunting for a premium TV with jaw-dropping visuals, stick around to see if this is the one for you. Let's start with the features. The Sony Bravia 8 boasts a 77-inch 4K Ultra HD OLED panel, delivering perfect black levels and vibrant colors with over 8 million self-lit pixels. Powered by the XR processor, it enhances every scene with real-time boosts to color, contrast, and clarity. It supports Dolby Vision HDR, Dolby Atmos, and DTS:X for a cinematic experience. Gamers, this one's for you. It has two HDMI 2.1 ports for 4K at 120 Hz, variable refresh rate, and PS5 exclusive features like Auto HDR Tone Mapping. The Google TV platform gives you easy access to streaming apps like Netflix and Disney+. Plus, the Acoustic Surface audio system uses the screen itself as a speaker for immersive sound. Now the pros. The picture quality is unreal. Deep blacks, vivid colors, and crisp details make movies and games pop, especially in dark rooms. The 4.6mm input lag is fantastic for gaming, and PS5 owners get optimized settings for a seamless experience. The sound is surprisingly robust for a TV thanks to the 50-watt 2.1 speaker system. It handles reflections well, so it's great for most living rooms. At around $2,700, it's a solid value for a high-end OLED. On the con side, it's not the brightest OLED out there, so if your room is super bright, you might notice a difference compared to models like the LG G5. It only has two HDMI 2.1 ports, which could limit connectivity for multiple next-gen consoles. Some users report occasional Google TV glitches, like app slowdowns. Also, it lacks Dolby Vision game mode, which some competitors offer. Who's this for? If you're a home theater enthusiast or a PS5 gamer who loves immersive visuals and sound, this TV is a fantastic pick. It's ideal for dark or dimly lit rooms and delivers a premium experience without the flagship price tag. If you need the brightest screen or more HDMI 2.1 ports, you might want to explore other options. Ready to level up your setup? Click the link in the description to check out the Sony 77-inch OLED Bravia 8 at the best price through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional pricing, so don't wait. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Rick's Review Hub for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.